Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the Rhinestoneworld.com, and we have some awesome news, and we just released our TRW Stone Wizard version 1.1 upgrade. So on the TRW website, you'll just go to Shop TRW Products and TRW Rhinestone Software and Macros. So once you get to this page, you're going to see three different options here. We have our upgrade version, our upgrade from our Stone Editor 1.1, and then our full version. So here's the difference of these three versions so you know which one to purchase. So the $30 upgrade version, that's if you're currently already an existing TRW Stone Wizard owner and you own the initial version, which is the 1.0. So if you already have the 1.0, you have your serial number and activation code, and it's currently running on your computer, this is all you'll need to upgrade, and that's the upgrade version for $30. And the reason why it's $30, you paid the $179.99 for it, and you're just going to pay the difference of what all of the new version or all the new features and everything for the 1.1 version. So that's the great thing about the program is your money is always good with us, so you can just upgrade and you're only going to pay the difference of the upgrade price, which is awesome. So next is our version if you currently are not a Stone Wizard owner, but you got one of our initial releases of the TRW Stone Editor, which is not a full Rhinestone program, it's more of an editing software. So if you have that Editor 1.1 and you want to upgrade to the Wizard 1.1, again, you're only going to pay the difference because you paid $49.99 for that. And then those of you that are coming over to join the TRW crew, become a Rhinestone Wizard, you have the full version here for the $209.99, and then that $209.99 again is always good. So when we upgrade to the 1.2 version, and it has a bunch of great new features as we continuously make the program better and better, you're only going to pay the difference. So that's how everything works, and this is, I'm going to run you through the installation process real quick. So we're going to go ahead and do the installation process from the Stone Wizard 1.0 to 1.1. So this $30 upgrade here. So let's move this one out of the way here. And what I'm going to do is, what you're going to want to do at this point is you want to download your actual, after you purchase it on the website, you're going to go to your downloads or wherever you save it to, and or you can go to your order history, and then you're just going to click on that exe file and you're going to go ahead and run it. So once you run that, you're going to click run. If you have Windows 8, it might pull up this Windows protected your PC. Just click on more info and then run anyway, as long as it's the TRW Stone Wizard 1.0 to 1.1 upgrade. So I'm going to hit run anyway. And now once I do that, what's going to happen is we're going to get it to where it's going to run the upgrade software. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Hit yes, and you'll see the logo pop up there on the screen, and then you're going to see our license agreement. So just read through the license agreement right there, and once you read through that, just hit I agree. Now it's going to know what versions of Corel you have on your computer. So the awesome thing about our program is it's available for X4, X5, and X6, all Corel Draw, and it's also available for the 32-bit and the 64-bit versions, which is huge. So anything X4, X5, X6, 32, or 64-bit, you can run the TRW Stone Wizard perfectly on. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know what, say I don't want to install it on the X6 for right now, and then I'm just going to hit install. Now one thing you want to make sure you do, I was about to hit install, but you can see I have my TRW Stone Wizard 1.0 in the background here. So you want to make sure you have Corel Draw closed. So I'm going to close this out and I don't have to save this. So I have Corel closed now. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit install. Now it's running through all of our install here, all the folders, all the glitters. Yes, the glitters are going to be awesome. And we are done. So I'm going to go ahead and hit close. Now if you have Corel open, what's going to happen is it's going to say you have Corel open and stop the install. So if that happens and you close Corel and then you go back to install it again, sometimes it'll automatically open Corel back up. All you have to do is restart your computer to fix that problem. So that's just with the install process. So what we're going to do now is we are going to go ahead and let's go to Corel Draw X5. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to zoom over in Corel X5. And we're opening up X5. Let's open up a new document. I click on my macro here. Now what's going to happen? See how I'm clicking on my macro and nothing's happening? The reason why is when I highlight over this, see how this one says TRW Stone Editor 1, and then it's that TRW Editor .trw underscore 2. That is the old macro in there right now. So what you want to do is you want to close that, just drag it out and close that one out. Now if you can't drag it out, the reason why, if you right click, your toolbars are locked. So see how it's locked and I can't move it? So just right click, unlock it, drag it out, close that out. Now you're going to go to Tools, Customization. You're going to go to Commands, and up here in File, you're going to go to Macros. And now what we're going to go to is our trw.stonewizard. So that's the macro we want to pull in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this, hold down my left mouse button, and drag it out to there and drop it, and then make sure you hit OK. So I pull this up to the top here, click on it, and look at that. We just turned it into the TRW Stone Wizard version 1.1. We have all of our magic glitters in here. We have our magic respaces, our single line spacing, our awesome font feature where it has the font previews of every single font. You can scroll through it as fast as you want, see what font you're actually going to type before you even type it. All of our font favorites, we can add them to our favorites up there top. Again, everything you need, we got in here now. All of our different mock-ups, our add watermarks, our transparencies, our logos. That's how easy it is to go ahead and install the TRW Stone Wizard version 1.1 upgrade. So I hope you all enjoy this upgrade. Again, we're always going to be making it better. We're going to make sure we do have the most user-friendly Rhinestone software on the market out there. Again, one of the cool things about our program right here that no other programs have right now is our video tutorial. So let's say we want to go to our place and fill feature and we see all this stuff here. Well, you don't really know what it means. If I go to our video tutorials and go to place and fill, these are all those exact same buttons. So I have a complete layout of the exact same layout you see on your main designing screen on our tutorial section. So see the add stones to selected path, add stones to selected path. All I got to do is I got to click on that right there real quick and watch what's going to happen. It's going to pull up a YouTube tutorial video here. And what's the title of that YouTube tutorial video? Tutorial 33, add stones to path button. So I have a button, or I have a tutorial video on every single button in the software. So we have over 100 tutorial videos already on the TRW Stone Wizard, and it's going to teach you every single button you have here. So if you're not sure what an island fill does, you can click on the island fill right there, and what's the name of this video? TRW Tutorial 25 Island Fill button. So again, every single button, you don't need to worry about reading through a 500-page manual, or if it's a Sunday and you can't get a hold of somebody, you got a complete training guide right here in the Wizard. And then of course we have our Shop TRW. We have our secret TRW Stone Wizard owner-only page where you'll get some secret free stuff, maybe some free tutorial videos that other people can't see, and maybe some free download files, things like that. Here you can see all of our free download files, and then of course we have all of our contact information. You need to shoot us a quick email, just click right here to email the support team. So again, this was the video on how to install the TRW Stone Wizard version 1.1 upgrade. We hope you all enjoy this upgrade. We know you're going to. We know that we're going to provide some awesome support to teach you everything you need to know about this Rhinestone software, and make sure this is the best Rhinestone software for Corel Draw out there for all of y'all. So we appreciate you being a part of the TRW crew. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. The number's 941-755-1696. And one more thing, I know you noticed how we have everything on the back end now. So when I went ahead and installed that and did an upgrade, you didn't have to enter the new serial number, because we do that once you activate it. So once you activate it, we do that on the back end right here. So you don't even need to worry about that part now as you're upgrading. Those of you that are brand new users will need a serial number for that computer, because that's what's going to tell us that obviously the macro and the software is on that computer. So again, if you have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. We appreciate you being part of the Rhinestone Wizard crew, and we look forward to talking to you soon. You guys all have a great day.